What's up, crypto fam? Did you see what's happening? Shiba Inu just blasted up by a jaw-dropping 18% overnight. And Bitcoin? Over $5 billion pulled from exchanges in 72 hours. That's not just a ripple, it's a tsunami. But here's the real question. Are we about to hit the moon, or is the crypto market walking on thin ice? Stick around because today we're digging deep into these two massive stories, and trust me, you won't want to miss a second. Welcome to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, your ultimate spot for the latest, hottest, and sometimes craziest crypto news out there. I'm Gold Rush, and today we're breaking down the numbers, trends, and hype behind Shiba Inu's insane price action and Bitcoin's mysterious billion-dollar moves. Oh, and hey, if you love staying ahead in the crypto game, smash that like button so you never miss a beat. Let's get this show on the road. Will Shiba Inu break resistance, or are we staring down a correction? And what does Bitcoin's multi-billion-dollar withdrawal mean for the market? I've got some spicy takes, bold predictions, and even a few what-if scenarios that might blow your mind. So grab your coffee, your HODL energy, and stay till the end for the full scoop. Let's talk about Shiba Inu first, the world's favorite meme coin. In the last 24 hours, Shiba exploded by 18%, pushing its price to 309 cents. With a market cap now sitting at over $18 billion, Shiba Inu has officially muscled its way back into the top 10 cryptos. But here's where things get tricky. While SHIB's price was shooting up, its trading volume took a nosedive. That's a red flag, folks. A price surge with low trading volume? It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank. It just doesn't hold up for long. And let's not ignore the sentiment data. We've awaited sentiment has been slipping, which tells us bearish vibes are creeping in. At the same time, its social volume is spiking, meaning the hype train is still going strong. My take? We might see a short-term push upward before reality sets in. On the technical side, the Relative Strength Index RSI is deep into overbought territory. Translation, people might start taking profits any minute now. And don't even get me started on the Chaikin money flow CMF. It's already showing signs of selling pressure. So is SHIB overheated? Let's just say the fire is burning hot, but it might be running out of fuel. Switching gears to Bitcoin, the king of crypto just saw a massive exodus. Over 55,000 Bitcoins worth a staggering $5.34 billion were pulled from exchanges in just 72 hours. Let me repeat that, $5 billion. That's not just whales moving their stash, it's more like leviathans swimming out of exchanges. So, what does this mean? First, it points to a serious supply squeeze, with exchange balances dropping to under 2.8 million BTC, a level we haven't seen since 2018. It's clear that more people are opting for self-custody. And honestly, given the recent issues with centralized platforms, I can't blame them. Now, let's talk sentiment. The Fear and Greed Index is shouting extreme greed. History has shown that this level of euphoria often precedes either a parabolic rally or a sharp correction. My gut? We might be gearing up for some serious volatility. Bitcoin's current price action mirrors the conditions we saw during its 2021 bull run. Remember when it shot from $15,000 to $57,000? Yeah, we're in that kind of territory again. But, and it's a big but, over-leveraged positions could trigger a nasty liquidation cascade if the market takes a wrong turn. So how do these two stories tie together? Both Shiba Inu and Bitcoin are riding waves of extreme sentiment, whether it's greed, hype, or FOMO. But here's the thing. Markets thrive on balance. When things get too hot, corrections aren't just possible, they're inevitable. For Shiba Inu, the low network value to transaction NVT ratio suggests it might still have room to grow. But Bitcoin's dwindling exchange reserves could mean a supply crunch, pushing prices higher, unless profit takers swoop in first. Here's a playful prediction. What if Bitcoin's big players are also pumping meme coins like SHIB to keep retail investors distracted while they quietly stack sats? Just throwing it out there. Quick pause, fam. If you're loving this breakdown, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you think. Are you bullish on Shiba Inu, or do you think it's about to hit the brakes? And what's your take on Bitcoin's billion-dollar move? Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay ahead of the curve. Let's keep the conversation going. For Shiba Inu, the big question is whether it can break resistance at 32 cents. If it does, we might see another leg up. But if a correction hits, expect it to drop to 28 cents. As for Bitcoin, all eyes are on institutional inflows and macroeconomic conditions. If the demand holds strong, we could see another bull run. But keep your guard up. Extreme greed is no joke. All right, crypto fam, that's a wrap for today's episode. Shiba Inu is on fire and Bitcoin is making waves like never before. But remember, the crypto world is as unpredictable as it gets. So stay sharp, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Before you go, smash that like button, subscribe to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop. And hey, check out my other videos for more deep dives into the hottest crypto trends. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Gold Rush, and I'll see you in the next one. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult a professional before making any investment decisions.